Wordwise is another feature that helps you understand content better. With Wordwise, you can see simple definitions and synonyms displayed in line above more difficult words while you read. Unlike with X-ray, you don't even have to take action to look it up. As soon as you have activated the setting, it will display explanations until you turn it off again. To turn on Wordwise within a book, go to the Reading options, More, pick Wordwise. In addition to activating and deactivating the setting, this menu also allows you to choose whether you want to see only the most probable hint or a list of possible meanings. I would recommend for you to try out displaying one hint first. In my experience, most of the time, this is enough to grasp the meaning of the expression. This feature can also be helpful when you read a book in a foreign language. Many times, the hints help to understand an unknown word. And be aware that this function will use extra power from your battery as the hints have to be loaded plus line spacing grows.